Hey everyone, it's been a while. I want to make this video to let you know where I've been and what's coming up next with CGForge. First and foremost, with my personal life, I got engaged to my beautiful fiance, Jessica. We had an amazing vacation down in New Mexico, and then we traveled up through the mountains of Colorado, and I proposed in Salida, Colorado, if you know where that is. Beautiful mountain town. It was awesome. So that's really exciting. Unfortunately, when I came back from that trip, I became really sick for like a month and a half. And when I say really sick, I mean I couldn't really drive a car because my vision was getting blurry, because I was shaky, because I was getting these constant pings of adrenaline rushes throughout the day. And it was extremely uncomfortable. We found out that I have something called SIBO, and that stands for small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. And most likely that comes from the fact that I had my appendix taken out in my early 20s. So basically, if you don't have an appendix, you are a lot more likely to get SIBO, and it basically means that I don't have the right balance of good and bad bacteria within my stomach. So the good news is that we figured out what the heck this thing is, which, by the way, I've been dealing with for the past 5 years to varying degrees. Basically, anytime I eat something, I would have acid reflux, and then randomly throughout the day, I would get these, again, ping of anxieties, like adrenaline rushes. I get anxious when nothing is going on. If you ever experience those symptoms, by the way, I would definitely take a look into SIBO because I had no idea what that was for the longest time. And now that I'm taking some medicine for it, I'm feeling better now than I have in the past like 6 or 7 years. It's amazing. I don't have the brain fog like I used to. I don't have these adrenaline rushes going on. It's amazing. So, 2 bits of good news. I got engaged and I figured out what the heck was going wrong with my health for the past 6 years. Big milestones. On top of that, I've also been expanding the team at CGForge. I think now we're up to about 7 people that are helping out with projects. A lot of these things are behind the scenes. I haven't announced them yet, but we've been hard at work at putting together some exciting up and coming things that are going to be releasing hopefully by the end of this year. Course updates are also in the works. Specifically with Houdini Principles, I'm going to be finishing that out with a chapter on color management and potentially a couple of other things. Additionally, with Vex Foundations 1, I want to make some more exercises for that and improve that aspect of the course. And depending on what Houdini 21 has in store, I'm also looking at updating courses if need be when it comes to workflows that relate to that. Honestly, I don't know yet what Houdini 21 has in store. Typically, I get the beta access automatically for whatever's coming up in Houdini. And the reason why I ask for that, the reason why I usually have beta access, is to make sure that the things I'm teaching stay relevant with the new updates that are rolling out. It also helps me create content that supports Houdini 21's release by hopefully giving me some extra time to prepare educational content before the actual release, because it takes a lot of time to do that. Now, this year, for whatever reason, I don't have that. I tried asking for beta access, early access. They said no. I don't know what their problem is with me, but whatever. Doesn't matter because Houdini 21 is going to release, and then after that, I'm going to be making these updates and rolling them out within about a month or two to make sure that everything is looking good. Aside from that, I'm also going to be restarting the weekly wrangle. For that, it's going to be 3 things now. It's going to be industry interviews, it's going to be career topics, and art reviews that are live. All of that is still in the works, and I'm thinking that this will start hopefully within about a couple of weeks. I'll make another announcement video for that soon, and you'll find more details coming shortly with that as well. That's about it for the weekly wrangle. That's what's been happening here at CGForge. A lot of stuff behind the scenes that I'll be announcing by the end of the year. And I want to thank all of you for being really patient. I know it's been a while since I've released stuff. Don't worry, I'm not going away. Quite the opposite, actually. I'm still going to be teaching, even though I have other people working with me. I'm still going to be doing all the things I usually do. It's just going to be to a greater degree. And for right now, it's just building up to that point and then hopefully making CGForge a better experience for all of you in the future. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.